Hi, my name is Jenna Kramer, and I will be presenting on behalf of Group 2, which also includes Dylan Elchin and Sunny Ventura. And we will be talking about Amore Pacific and peripheral innovation. Many businesses focus on enhancing a product's core components in order to better meet their customers' needs and desires. The idea of putting more effort into the peripheral components of a product is traditionally not a popular one because many believe it will not have the same effect on the overall success of the product in question. However, one company, Amore Pacific, has proven just how peripheral innovation can take a product and a whole company to a level of success never thought achievable. In this presentation, we will discuss what peripheral innovation is and how it works, how peripheral innovation was effectively utilized by Amore Pacific to manufacture the air cushion, the four-step process that best makes use of peripheral innovation, and the marketing challenges the company initially faced with the air cushion. So what is peripheral innovation? Peripheral innovation can be defined as the method of altering or enhancing a product's non-functional component or components as opposed to enhancing a product's functional components. By putting a greater concentration on peripheral innovations, features can be developed for one product that can be further used in other product modifications. Amore Pacific caters to a large array of customers, including those in search of high-quality skincare, hair care, makeup, and perfume products. Initially, beginning with a single hair oil product, the company has since grown into one of Asia's leading skincare brands with a sales revenue of $542 million in 2014. The air cushion is the perfect example of how peripheral innovation can equate to great success. Firstly, Amore Pacific identified a problem in their target market. The tubes that they were using made the user's hands sticky and therefore very inconvenient when they were using their balms. Additionally, the puff in which the emulsion was applied did not provide a consistent application of the sunscreen. By identifying the two main problems, Amore Pacific began the search for a solution. By honing in on previous technology used in the saturated sponges of the stamp pads, Amore Pacific was able to apply the same concept in their emulsion sunblock compacts. The sponge material solved both problems of portability and an even application of their product. After the success of the sponge in the sunscreen application, Amore Pacific extended the newfound innovation over to both their luxury and premium makeup application ventures. The crossover of technology provided them with a major competitive advantage over other companies in the makeup industry. The peripheral innovation described shows how one small enhancement can greatly impact an entire target market. The four steps to innovation are identify hassles, improve usability, create synergy, and cost controls. Step one of identifying hassles is the starting point for all product innovation, whether it be core or peripheral. The key for peripheral innovation is to identify structural constraints embedded in core components. For example, the structural constraint that Amore Pacific had to problem solve was the limitations of their balm format in both its portability and application effectiveness. Improving the usability of a product solves many issues that customers may have regarding the product. Amore Pacific was able to solve the problem of portability with their emulsions by placing a sponge inside of the air cushion. Creating synergy means to utilize and develop technology in order to better bond the link between the components of the product. By researching and testing different materials and their capabilities, Amore Pacific was able to develop the most efficient and durable product possible. The last step in the innovation process is to control costs. The main point behind controlling costs is to immediately identify and minimize the costs associated with peripheral components. By doing so, any business can better forecast if the changes to a product will even be worth looking into. If, for instance, the modifications to the air cushion didn't fit the budget or outlooks for Amore Pacific, they may not have made the changes they did. However, the company made the smart decision to push forward and set strict timelines that had to be met in order for the innovation to occur. Additionally, once they had the technology and understood its application, they were able to share and exploit the technology within their business. And here's a great video with the Dyson founder, James Dyson, who's also an inventor, and he's discussing innovation. The link can be found at the bottom of the presentation. The innovation behind the air cushion was considered a never-before-seen product. With this in mind, marketing could seem like a daunting task. By having both the marketing team and the research and development team work closely in the starting phases of the air cushion, Amore Pacific was better prepared to showcase their product in the global market. So today in this presentation, we covered what peripheral innovation is, Amore Pacific and how they employed peripheral innovation effectively and the four-step process to better utilizing peripheral innovation. We also discussed the initial marketing challenges Amore Pacific faced and how they managed to overcome them. And here are some questions that we would like to offer to you all. Number one, since the innovation of the cushion foundation only occurred within the past few years, what are some of the challenges that Amore Pacific faced during the development and marketing of their cushion liquid foundation? And how did they overcome them? Number two, with the information given about their competition, how did Amore Pacific successfully market the cushion technology, and what are the benefits of focusing research and development on peripheral innovation? This is also a link that provides another great example at how peripheral innovations can lead to major breakthroughs in certain markets. Thank you very much.